Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this superb 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. It's only got 15 miles on the clock. You also get 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you get the half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. Some really nice safety features with this car, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and also cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.